to the ground. You're dragging me.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Sandy, and today is just a quick hairstyle that I made using Brazilian wool. There's so many videos out there of people creating a huge transformation with Brazilian wool. I was really shocked with the end result of this hairstyle, especially because I saw this hair on YouTube and someone did this hairstyle with braid extension, and I just felt like, oh, I should try this with Brazilian wool. And trust me guys, the result was amazing. And I must say this, if you want to get this particular Brazilian wool that I use for this tutorial, make sure that you're getting the big size of it, because I feel like it was very easy to detangle very easily. There are some Brazilian wools that is quite hard to detangle, but this was actually very easy with just me cutting to the desired length, and then I used my brush, and just as quick as easy as the name implies. So now these, all you just need to do is just knock your hair tightly to a high bond, like so. You know, use the required product that you know that your hair actually need, because I know that everybody has a kind of product that works for their hair. So just do you, okay? So lovely, this is just basically it. Just sit back, watch this video to the end so that you can basically understand it. And like I said, I used the big size of Brazilian wool, and I used color 1. So you might as well want to, you know, try out different colors, or you can just use this particular one. So I got a pack actually, because I didn't want to, you know, start buying it just single by single like so. So I got a pack. So I'm gonna be doing a whole lot of styles with this, okay? So just sit back, relax, stay glued to my channel, because you're gonna be seeing a whole lot of DIYs, especially on Brazilian wool. So this is what you'll be doing. As you can see, I just, you know, make sure this length is actually 37 inches. So this is just basically it. Very easy to brush out. So this is it. You just make use of your rubber band and just hair packer rather, and just, you know, put it like so, secure it very tightly, and you just want to wrap the other parts like you're doing a basic ponytail. But before that, I am gonna be weaving this part like so. And thank you so much to all my returning subscribers. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get updated when I post new videos. Without further ado, lovelies, just keep on watching.
Butterflies fly with me tonight. These feelings inside. Butterflies fly with me tonight. I'm down to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Oh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. Oh, the I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't make right. I love the bird below you, telling myself that this is Feelings to the sun.